Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix MetaTrader 5 invalid accounts. So as you can see, I have multiple accounts right here that I have connected. And all you actually needed to do when I had this issue, you just verify your login credentials. So you come here at the top left, click on File, and then you click on New Account, okay? And then you just choose your, broker or company, and then just log in, okay? All you have to do, I'm already logged in with FTMO, but you just log into your existing trade account and choose the correct server, okay? And if you're still having issues, just make sure your application is updated and your account is actually activated. And if the issue still persists, just make sure you actually have an internet connection. That sometimes is what causes the issue. And if you are still having issues after that, just try logging in again or verify that you are using the correct server, okay? And if all else fails, just consider resetting your password or contacting your broker's client support. That's where the issue is from. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.